Quick reaction to 2 Kings chapters 4 through 7. A piece of information that you probably don't know is that Elisha, who's the main figure in these chapters, has the second most miracles associated with him of anyone in the Bible, second only to Jesus. And interestingly enough, as I was reading this and reacting and thinking, there's a lot of commonality between the miracles of Elisha and then the miracles that are recorded associated with Jesus. And a quick thought on miracles is, if you are a believer in Jesus, a follower of Jesus, a believer in Scripture, the Bible really is a book of miracles. And part of what faith in Jesus is all about is believing in the miraculous. I mean, someone rising from the dead, which is the fundamental, most important part of being a Christian, is believing in the resurrection. In fact, Paul said, if there is no resurrection, we have no hope. That's the New Testament point of view. And so we're believing in miracles, and it's interesting to see, and we can get into the discussion of why miracles happen and how they work. But there's a commonality, a thread, and it's called a type of Elisha here being a type of Christ. In other words, something that is pointing to the future, and Jesus fulfilling these things of feeding people, right? And Jesus giving teachings of caring for enemies, and you see Elisha doing this and feeding enemies, and just a really cool thing. And I saw a connection here, and there was one story, I believe it's in the end of chapter 4, where Elisha multiplies bread, and that's something that only Elisha and Jesus did, which is pretty powerful. So I hope you're enjoying the scriptures.